Welcome to a world where luxury is effortless. This is where your home not only looks beautiful, but it responds beautifully. Introducing Lutron, a global benchmark in lighting control. Bringing world-class solutions to the comfort of your home. Lutron products are designed to manage natural and electric light to create better places to work, live, and play. Lutron accomplishes this through a state-of-the-art lighting automation, gorgeous window treatments, and carefully handcrafted keypads. Great lighting requires the understanding of human needs, engineering excellence, and the eye for beauty. Lutron, inspired by the dynamic interplay of these elements, found the inspiration behind their products. They call this lighting to live by. Sound X Perience, recognized across Africa for smart home integration, believes that the best automation is designed for luxury and tailored for convenience. Lutron perfectly epitomizes this combination. Let me show you how it works. Imagine arriving at home and your space comes alive automatically. Your lights welcome you, blinds adjust, and the perfect ambience unfolds. Lutron Lighting Automation is a premium smart lighting system that gives you complete control over the ambience of your home. It allows lights to adjust automatically based off of the time of day, activity, or personalized scenes, creating comfort, convenience, and energy efficiency without any effort. With one touch, natural lighting becomes part of your architecture. Your blinds move in complete silence, creating mood, privacy, and comfort throughout the day. This is understated luxury, technology that you don't see, but you absolutely feel. Lutron's designer keypad become your personalized lifestyle controls. Dinner, entertaining, relaxing, one button and your entire home transforms. With elegant keypads, seamless integration, and whisper quiet performance, Lutron transforms lighting into an experience, delivering refined, intelligent luxury that feels as effortless as it looks. Looking to integrate Lutron in your home? Book your Lutron experience with Sound Experience. The future of hospitality, powered by Lutron. In luxury hospitality, unforgettable guest experience begins with effortless control. And this is where Lutron automation redefines excellence. From lighting to blinds to climate and ambience, each room becomes an intelligent environment, responding to occupancy, time of day, and your signature hotel or lodge settings. As a trusted leader in automation integration throughout Africa, Sound Experience works with Lutron automation products to shape hospitality environments that embody premium comfort and sophistication. Let's take a look at how Lutron can completely transform your guest's experience. Imagine offering your guests a curated lighting scene that reflects your landscape. Your guests enjoy unmatched comfort and privacy, and you enjoy world-class energy efficiency with automated reductions when rooms are unoccupied. And beyond the suites, your spa, dining decks, lounges, and outdoor areas flow seamlessly through integrated control. Lighting and audio work together to create a truly immersive experience. For lodge owners, hotel owners, and luxury destinations, Lutron develops sustainability, refinement, and a 5-star automation that elevates your brand. This is Lutron, the new standard for African luxury hospitality. Looking to integrate Lutron to your lodge or hotel? Book your private Lutron experience with Sound Experience.